Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by CoinLNT. Now, as usual, we are going to be taking a quick look at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index on the daily chart, you can see that we are now bullish on the dollar index. Why do I say this? Because as you can see clearly, we created a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low, and price broke through that high here. So we are now clearly bullish on the dollar index. So if you are bullish, that means you'll be looking to take only buy trades on the dollar index. That is, you are going to be looking for just buy opportunities on the dollar index. Now, what are the buy opportunities you see here? We have, if you look here, you can see that we have a fair value gap. Let me mark that out immediately. We have this fair value gap right here. Let me mark that out. So this is a fair value gap, and so what I'll be expecting is for price to drop to this fair value gap and push higher. So I'm actually anticipating this fair value gap acting as support to push price higher. Now, if you are going higher, where will be my target for this trade? This will be my target for the trade this upcoming week. So I'll be looking to take out this old high here for this buy trade. Now, with that in mind, if you go back to Euro USD, what you're going to see on Euro USD is the opposite of what you just did on the dollar index. That is the opposite analysis of what we just did on the dollar index. Because if the dollar index is bullish, Euro USD is going to be bearish. Now, looking at Euro USD on the daily chart, what do you see also? You can see that we are in a bullish trend and we had price break below this low. So now we are clearly bearish on the Euro USD price chart. So if you are bearish, what am I going to be looking forward to? As you can see clearly, we have a fair value gap here also. We have this fair value gap, and mind you, we have an order block above this fair value gap. So I can also mark that out as a potential point of interest for price to draw to. So we have these 2 points of interest on Euro USD. We have the fair value gap, and we also have the order block. So what am I going to be looking forward for the coming week? I'll be looking forward for price to retest this area, that is this point of interest, either this fair value gap or this order block, then drop below. So if I'm going to be selling this pair this coming week, where is going to be my my targets? You can see we have this old low here. Let me mark that out immediately. We have this old low here. This will be the first target for the trade. So this is going to be my target for the trade coming into next week. So if you go back to the 4-hour chart, let's do that real quick. Let me remove these drawings. So as you can see, we have the 4-hour in a downtrend also. But what I see happening here is if price is going to go back to this level, we might break this structure. So we have a high, we have a low. So we might break the structure and move into this level, then break structure again to go below. So what might happen is something like this. This is the intraday move. So you might get a kind of a short trend to this area, that is to go deep into this. Then we are going to have the market break or shift structure and start moving down into this area. So at the beginning of the week, you might have a reversal, that is you are going to break this structure right here and start moving upwards to this level. Then once you get there, you might shift structure or break structure and start moving below to take out this liquidity level. So guys, remember to always practice good risk management on your accounts. I will see you all in the next video.